I chose Cascadia Tech and the diesel technology program because it gave me an opportunity to learn something more and build off of the knowledge I already have of working on cars growing up with my dad.
I felt like it was something that I could go into as a new career, and I wanted to put my hands to work.
Some of the benefits I've gained would be working on trucks with other people. I've definitely learned a lot more teamwork working in this program.
I learned new things like learning how an engine works, how to take it apart, put it back together. It affected my life by learning more and putting it into the real world while working on cars.
If you have an interest in it, just do it. A lot of people told me like you're not going to enjoy it, and I was like, no, I'm going to enjoy it and I'm going to go into it full speed. I really have an interest in diesel technology, and there's a branch in the Air Force that offers working on planes, so I was thinking about maybe that, or I know the next year we do internships and a lot of students get job opportunities from that as well.